video is my just stuff. I ordered the wrong size tube. I knew there was something up, so I might use these as pool noodles because I kind of, if you look at a TRX or no an ATC 70 front wheel, they're not this big. They're about this wide. They're at least this wide. I clicked the wrong one. I admit it. So I got 4 of these little things, and maybe I'll make a carnival game for my kids out of it. But anyway, anyway, before I got on here, I went to MRC Builds. That's his channel, and I checked and I realized something. I watched his. I got the idea of ordering these off Amazon real cheap, but I kind of got the size wrong. So anyway, if you ever watch this channel at MRC Builds, I'll try to tag you in it. Thank you for the ATC 70 video. It was awesome. I'm putting one together. I have to thank This Old Trike because his video is really awesome. So if you go on there, go to tell This Old Trike I sent you. It's cool videos. He has the most amazing collection of 3-wheelers I've ever seen in my entire life. Plus he lives 2.5 hours south of me, which if you're watching this, Preston, please invite me. I want to go see. I want to go check out your bikes. Actually, my daughter wants to go see your collection. So my son would probably love it. He'd be in heaven. So invite me to Trikapalooza. I'm going to tag you in here. So, was it Trikapalooza or Trikapalooza? I watch all your videos. I'll admit it. I've watched almost every one. I couldn't possibly. I'm working on everyone. So, and no, I'm not a Honda channel. The only reason why I'm doing Honda videos is because I have a Honda, and once it's done, I'll be doing riding videos. And that's pretty much it. But this video is, about me ordering parts. I've been putting together a ATC 70. I don't do as wild videos, as cool editing as a lot of you. Mostly I've been getting parts to finish it. Half the bike is in powder coat right now. One piece was already powder coated. I was looking for this piece online. It apparently is in decent shape. It needs to be decrudified. Let me put it down here. There's a bit of crud on it. I don't know what's on here. There appears to be a dent here. A huge slice right there. I don't know if that's been welded or just JB welded or what's going on. I'm assuming that's from chain, being abused by a chain. Not sure what the hell's going on here. But I will sandblast it and figure out what's... Let me get a knife here and see what's... If anybody knows anything about the inside of these, please tell me, because I'm guessing this is some sort of... But grease, maybe? Yeah, looks like just grease. There's nothing... What the hell's this? Like, is there any mounts or anything I'm supposed to know about? So anyway, that's what I got for that one. So this is going to get sandblasted. I will do some probably hammering here and spot weld it. So that's that piece. I also picked up, where is it? This piece. I've been seeing this online for, what, $130 for like, I don't know, a couple of months now. I've been trying to find, this is the little, I don't know if this goes this way or this way, I'm not sure. I think it goes this way. The foot pegs for the bike. I've been watching online on eBay for these two parts for at least 3 months, and this, the cheapest I seen it was $59, and this I've seen anywhere from what, $59 to $100 each one. I even seen this for $139, $69, $89 US dollars. $30, and I paid $30 for this. So if you troll eBay, you will get a deal. Also, I don't know if I just said it, but yeah, this I ordered the wrong size part. And what's the other piece? This I ordered in Canada to see how much it was. This is the Honda part number here. These things for the forks. Believe it or not, they're like $9 or $10 in the US plus shipping, and they were $14 over here. So 14, yeah. So with the exchange, they're maybe a couple of cents more. I don't pay shipping either. So that was good. So I'm gonna see how much the difference is in exchange and order the parts here. But yeah, this is just for what, one set of forks. I gotta order another set. Actually, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of these. That said, that's pretty much it for parts. There's I got a couple other things that I don't know where they are. I do have to reorder tubes. At least I can do this. Maybe what do you call it? Maybe I can cut it in half, make one of those donuts go on your neck, or I can become some kind of, I don't know, new religion, the spare tire religion. So anyway, with that said, I will have a video of me taking the tires apart, the rims, because I'm like, you know what, I'm sending the powder coat. I might as well take all the tires off, take the rims off, and when I get the new tubes, I'll put them back on the thing. So with that said, in my rubber head, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends I got wacky things on my head. Don't forget to click it all. Thanks for watching.